Start in the chain 1 space at the corner of round 35. Work a cluster of 3 double crochet, chain 2, and another cluster of 3 double crochet. ACH stitch builds a small room that I can carry wherever I go. Inside this room there is no rush, no noise, only breath and thread. The door is always open, and the light never fades. Sometimes I step inside just to rest, to remember that calm is still possible. Every piece of yarn becomes a wall of softness, a gentle shelter for the heart. Along the side, work 14 linked double crochet. That means each double crochet is linked to the previous one to create a tighter fabric and a clean edge. Here, time stretches kindly. There is no before, no after, only now. The walls are made of quiet moments, woven with patience and care. Even when the world outside feels uncertain, this small space remains steady. Next, 3 times. Chain 1, and skip 1 stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. Then, repeat the following sequence 14 times. Half double crochet in the back loop only of round 34, chain 1, and skip 1 stitch. After that, 3 times, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, and skip 1 stitch. Finish the side with 14 linked double crochet. I do not need words here. The rhythm of the hook is enough. The thread listens, the colors breathe, and my thoughts find their own order. Work the same sequence on the remaining 3 sides to complete the round. Join with 1 slip stitch to the closing chain of the first cluster of 3 double crochet. Totals for this round: 8 clusters of 3 double crochet, 2 per corner. 112 linked double crochet, 28 per side. 24 double crochet, 6 per side. 56 half double crochet in the back loop only, 14 per side. For chain 2 spaces, 1 per corner. And 80 chain 1 spaces, 20%. Pause here and check your counts. Between rounds 37 and 39, in this section, we will work 1 double crochet, separated by 1 chain. At the corner, we will continue with linked double crochet. They will increase 1 by 1 as the piece grows, and in the chain 2 space we will work 2 clusters of 3 double crochet close together, separated by chain 2. The center will be the base where we will place the small flowers. We will work the corner later, together with the leaves. Start in the chain 2 space at the corner of round 36. In the corner, work a cluster of 3 double crochet, chain 2, and another cluster of 3 double crochet. This room asks for nothing, but it gives me peace every time I return. And when the world feels too heavy, I come back here. to the quiet space my hands have made. Along the side, work 15 linked double crochet. Then, repeat the following sequence 20 times, chain 1, and double crochet in the next chain 1 space of round 36. Finish the side with 15 linked double crochet. Work the same sequence on the remaining 3 sides. Between rounds 37 and 39, we repeat a gentle rhythm on each side, 1 double crochet into each chain 1 space, separated by 1 chain. Corners stay the same, a cluster of 3 double crochet, chain 2, and a second cluster of 3 double crochet. With each round, the count of linked double crochet along the edges grows by 1 per side. Pause here to check your 20 chain 1 spaces per side. If the count is off, look for a missed chain near the corners. Join with 1 slip stitch to the closing chain of the first cluster. Optional, you may block the piece at this point to sharpen the mesh and the corners. Totals: 8 clusters of 3 double crochet, 136 linked double crochet, 34 per side, 80 double crochet, 20 per side. For chain 2 spaces, 1 per corner, and 80 chain 1 spaces, 20 per side. For this round, we introduce front post texture. Work the following on each side. Front post half double crochet around the corner cluster of round 39. Then, 74 half double crochet along the side. Edges are not cages. They are gentle hands that hold the shape of what we love. Every border in this work is a quiet promise. I will keep you safe, I will let you grow. Front post half double crochet around the next corner cluster of round 39. Chain 4. Repeat this sequence on the remaining 3 sides. Join with 1 slip stitch into the first front post half double crochet. Totals: 296 half double crochet, 74 per side, 8 front post half double crochet, 2 per corner, and 4 chain 4 spaces, 1 per corner. Pause and check your counts. On each side, work 1 half double crochet in the chain 4 space of round 40. 76 front post half double crochet along the side, working around each stitch from the previous round. The rhythm of front post stitches feels like a heartbeat, steady and kind. 1 half double crochet in the chain 4 space. Chain 3. Repeat on the remaining 3 sides. Join with 1 slip stitch into the first half double crochet. Totals: 304 front post half double crochet, 76 per side, 8 half double crochet, 2 per corner, and 4 chain 3 spaces, 1 per corner. Take a breath and check your counts. This round creates a clean channel by working into round 40 and skipping over round 41. On each side, work 2 half double crochet in the chain 4 space of round 40, 74 half double crochet in the back loop only, working into round 40 and skipping over the stitches of round 41. We build limits not to close things off, but to give them space to breathe. In life, as in yarn, boundaries are a form of tenderness. They say, you can rest here, you belong here. Two half double crochet in the chain 4 space. Chain 1. Repeat on the remaining 3 sides. Join with 1 slip stitch into the first half double crochet. Totals: 296 half double crochet in the back loop only, 74 per side. 16 half double crochet in the corner spaces, 4 per corner, and 4 chain 1 spaces, 1 per corner. Remember, a chair, a light, and company are here. We continue together. Thank you for crocheting with me today.